The Lord be with you. Good day, everyone. Today is First Friday in this month of April, and every First Friday, it's a devotion to the most sacred heart of Jesus. Most sacred heart of Jesus, have mercy on us. In the Gospel, Jesus said, people were trying to arrest him, but they couldn't. Why? Because his time has not yet come. There is always perfect time for everything. And when Jesus Christ said that his time has not yet come, it tells us that his death, his passion, was not something that will be forced or imposed upon him. But Jesus was in control in the entirety of his passion. Yes, he was arrested. He was brought before the court. He was crucified. But all throughout, he was in control of everything because he knew all these things must happen in accordance with the will of God. His death on the cross was not something that must be avoided. His death was a necessary death so that we who have died and will die will have the opportunity to have resurrection. Jesus Christ is the perfect sacrifice of the Father, so that we shall have our own resurrection and can come back on our own original state when God first created us. Remember, we were created not to die. We were created to share in the divinity, in the everlasting life. And by sending forth his only Son, so that he will die and save us all, that is part of God's saving plan for all of us. And Jesus was in control. And Jesus did everything according to the timeline of God, according to God's perfect time. And so even if his enemies would always want to kill him, it will happen only if God will permit it to be in God's perfect time. God bless.